happening in the national capital, because sparks are flying in Delhi yet again, and the latest face-off is over the increased electricity bills. The bills of the domestic consumers have gone up after the redistribution of the companies, the distribution companies deciding to revise their power purchase adjustment charge. Now, this adjustment is made to cover the cost that the power distribution companies incur while purchasing electricity from power generation companies. So this means, in effect, the higher costs are then passed on to the consumers through their electricity bills. Now, this charge is levied when the demand goes up and has been hiked between 6.15% to 8.75%. Now, power is purchased from the electricity. Let's just break it down for you and tell you how it's working and what's the politics behind it, because now the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the opposition continue to trade charges. Now, the power is purchased from electricity exchange during summers to meet the increased demand, and therefore the PPAC might be greater in summers. So with the hike coming into effect, Delhiites will end up paying more for electricity. The BJP now alleges that not only did the Aam Aadmi Party government not plan well in advance to tackle the demand surge, it was also in collusion with the DISCOMs as they made consumers pay hefty amounts in the name of power surcharge. That is a blame game that's going on between the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP.
क्या डिस्कॉम्स के पास ये राइट है कि डायरेक्टली वो लिख के डीआरसी को रेट बढ़ा दें?
को राइट नहीं है, लेकिन जब दिल्ली की बिजली मंत्री डिस्कॉम की प्रवक्ता बन के बात करेंगी, किक बैक लेंगी, कमीशन लेंगी, तो फिर ये सब राइट सब।
तो आपको लगता है कि अप्रूवल है इसमें? दिल्ली
ये अप्रूवल नहीं है। ये अगर अप्रूवल नहीं है तो डिस्कॉम की हिम्मत कैसे होगी बढ़ाने की? बिना परमिशन के कैसे बढ़ा सकता है?
वो ये कह रहे हैं कि वो बढ़ा सकते हैं।
तो फिर बढ़ा सकते हो तो फिर दिखाइए। फिर 7% कहाँ है? 8.75% क्यों है? अगर आप 7% की बात कर रहे हैं तो 8.75% कैसे बढ़ा दे, इसका जवाब दे।
देखिए, हम इस ओर पूरा हमारी नज़र है और इस बात के लिए हमने पहले भी चेताया भी है। इसके ऊपर भी दिल्ली प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी एक पूरा कार्यक्रम आयोजित करेगी, जिसके तहत जो बढ़े हुए बिल हैं उनको वापस करने की मांग की जाएगी।
Now, breaking updates coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party has now dismissed what the BJP has been saying. Delhi's Power Minister Atishi accusing the BJP of misleading the people by spreading rumours. The Aam Aadmi Party leader claims that the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission's order says that the current PPAC will remain the same, so no more changes will be made. She, however, also justified the tariff revision, saying that DISCOMs have a provision in the Electricity Act 2003 that allows them to increase the PPAC by up to 10% from that prescribed by the DERC in the case of the high cost of the power purchase. In fact, she has also hit back. This is amid the allegations that has come in from the BJP. So she hit back at the BJP, claiming that the electricity charges in the states ruled by the Saffron Party were much higher, and so were the power cuts. So the BJP saying that there was no summer plan that had been put in place by the Aam Aadmi Party, by the Aam Aadmi Party government, and that's the reason why the people are paying more. But the Aam Aadmi Party also responding to that and saying that at least in Delhi the situation is much better than it is in the BJP ruled states.
ये मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी, ये DERC के ऑर्डर्स हैं जहां तक PPAC का मैटर है, और ये बहुत क्लियर कट टर्म्स में ये कहते हैं कि PPAC चार्ज को नहीं बढ़ाया जाएगा। सितंबर तक PPAC का जितना पहले का ऑर्डर था वो जारी रहेगा, लेकिन डिस्कॉम्स के पास ये प्रावधान होता है कि अगर उन्हें खास करके गर्मियों के मौसम में, क्योंकि बहुत पीक पावर का यूजेज होता है, एक्स्ट्रा पावर खरीदनी पड़े, तो वो शॉर्ट टर्म बेसिस पे अप टू 75.5% PPAC बढ़ा सकते हैं उस दौरान में जब उन्होंने महंगी बिजली खरीदी है।
Let's go back to Sabyasachi for that update. Sabyasachi, the Aam Aadmi Party justifying the increase in the power bills. The BJP saying that there was no plan in place. The BJP, in fact, also held up posters that said "Jail se bhi lootenge" with Kejriwal's picture. But the question is, amid this blame game, Aam Aadmi Party saying that yes, the BJP ruled states have it no better. The unfortunate truth is, it's the people of Delhi, the Delhiites, who end up paying more.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, when the blame game is going on, it is directly affecting the people of the national capital
who have to bear the brunt of it. Now the Aam Aadmi Party clearly says that the BJP is trying to spread rumors and mislead the people of the national capital. And Delhi Government Minister Atishi in fact cites the rule where the percentage can be increased up to 10% without any clear-cut notice. Now at this particular point, the BJP has levelled a serious allegation against the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that the BSES in fact has increased the power hike to around 8% without seeking any permission. And clearly the electricity provider which are being backed by the Aam Aadmi Party is looting the people of the national capital by putting hefty charges. At this particular point, the war of words is going to escalate. Meanwhile, the BJP in fact also stated that when the heat wave issue was going on at the peak of the summers, there was frequent power cuts here in the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party did not have proper planning to it, and the situation completely failed here in the national capital. Now the people of the national capital are being looted because they are being charged extra by the Delhi government. Now at this particular point, the Delhi government, though they have issued a clarification stating that no rules have been broken and it is a rumor, and the BJP is trying to mislead the people of the national capital.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. It clearly looks like the war of words is going to continue and the people are going to pay the price for that. We're keeping a track of the developments there. For now, a very quick break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.